Yeah.
Oh, look it. Look it. Oh, my God. That's great.
Oh, God.
Oh, my God. Look at you.
Where's Bailey?
I don't know. Bailey, make yourself known. Oh,
lots
guys.
of energy.
Oh, she's making a break for it. You want to go?
Hi. He's gotten darker.
You want to go meet your friend?
His coat is darker.
Look how much bigger he is. You're going to have a biggie. Yeah. Now he's little. She is so red. Wow, she looks. I can't believe how different they look. Oh, I haven't even seen her.
This one's like biting my foot.
Bailey, were you that bad this morning? He is so
He
big.
just seems like doesn't want to bother you.
He's huge. He is a big dog.
Look at that face.
He's a big baby.
He's got a distinct face. I recognize his face.
Oh my
now.
God, he's so big.
Oh, he's adorable. You are so big.
Jody, go snatch her out so I can get some pictures. She's got the red collar on. Hi,
Well, one of them.
baby.
Hi, Bailey.
Why is he all wet?
I don't know which one.
Water bowl.
It's
Walking in and out of it.
Oh, okay.
Hi, you are
He likes
3
to
times the size.
my new baby.
It's just written on the band. There it is. Hi, baby girl.
Oh, look at you.
We gotta get some pictures of your sweet little face.
Oh my God.
Look at her sweet little face.
Oh, look at her too. They are so beautiful. I just can't
They
believe
look so
how
much like
they've
puppies now.
changed.
They just look like little.
Yeah.
Oh, that's her.
Mm.
The back.
This one said, "Take me instead." That one growled at you.
I
Take
saw him
me.
4 days ago, and he's twice the size.
I
swear to
can't
God.
believe it. Oh, look, she's wrestling.
I don't even care. Mwah. Mwah. Oh my
Got
God.
that little tail
Oh.
going.
So cute.
I picked him out of the crowd.
Why are you so tired, little man?
You don't want to hold him, Grayson?